part 2 is our lovely tree starting. So let's see how we begin. I assume by just like cutting everything out. So let's do that. Where's my glasses? Okay, so we've got our main pieces here. So A6. And put that into the 6th slot. Oh, there's 2 A's. Okay. This we're not going to use for a minute. Ow! What happened there? I'm not even sure. Okay, I think I got it. 7. Whoops, I'll just do it right side up. Or is there a right side up? Because that's printed upside down. It's interesting. Okay. Why that's confusing. I don't know why they did that, but I gotta get it in there. Come on. Are you in there? I can't tell. Get on there. You're the last one, buddy. You won. Okay, yep, okay, they snapped. That actually snapped. Okay, so it's not this guy. That's A11, what we need now, next to C6. Okay, that's gonna be interesting. How is that gonna go on there? Okay, let's see here. Oh, that went. Oh, it's going. Just gotta finagle it a little bit. Oh, it's actually like taking off a bit of the wood there. I assume it's supposed to be all the way down to the ridge there. And then put this bad boy on there, which should be that's much easier. Okay, thank you. Interesting. Oh, and now we do A11. This must be from the top. Okay. It doesn't look like it's going to be easy. Let's see. Oh, that wasn't too bad. It's on there. Okay. Oops. We'll glue that back down there if we need to. Oh, I see, there's a little guide there. So the 5s go on the 5 spot. They do kind of snap on there. Looks like it faces it's like that. There we go. Ah, it is still our little beads. All right, so now where do we put our balls? These are interesting because you use such big strips. I think I'm going to use the little half strips again because they said to use the small ones, but they show. They're staying, so I don't know if I don't feel super secure about that, but they're staying. Okay, there we go. What are we doing here now? What? C15. But they're blue. Oh, I see. I thought they were like saying like curl these up around, and I'm like, no. They're these guys. They're actual candy canes, shaped candy canes. That makes sense. This one, we're gonna try it this way. Oops, come here, you. All right, so that's what we got so far. I don't know if that's right, but if not, we'll fix it later. It still looks cute. Okay, and then now we do the ribbon. Try and straighten that out. There we go. Okay, so let's just dry fit this here and see how we do. Yeah, what are we talking about here? Wrap it around. So it just kind of wraps. It doesn't, I don't know that it needs to lay any particular place, so it just kind of goes like that, like that, and then like that. I don't think it tells you, it doesn't say to put any more sticky stuff anywhere. Okay. Let's put come on. You will behave. Come on there. I want you up there. So that you can wrap around like so. Okay, I think we got it. There we go. Okay. Okay, now we put it in the base. This is, let's see what we do in here. Now we put it in there. And let's see, this is blue and this is red. Go like that. Let's see. So let's see if we can get that bad boy in there. I think we're doing it. I think I'm doing it. I think I'm doing it. Am I doing it? I think it's going. I think it's going. I think it's going. Oh, I lost one of the balls. But I can see, yeah, it's definitely seated. I can feel it under the little doohickeys in there. Okay, where did I lose? There it is, there it is, there it is. Okay, he was from right there. Yeah, they don't come off unless you knock them off, so. All right. I think maybe this one is supposed to be down one, but we'll fix that later if we need to. Okay, so those, let's see, B6 goes like so. B5 goes like so. And then they go through this little hole. Okay. And then this goes, come here. How far down? All the way down. Come on. I hope this is right, because this ain't coming off. Oh, is it gonna be something that twirls? And then B7. Or does it go this way? It goes that way, okay. To lock it on. Like so. I think that's locked on there. Okay. Could be a little. Oh no, I was thinking these little guys should be, there's like a little gap there, but there's not a gap on this one, so I think we're okay. I think that means that we're done with, we're done with step 2. So yeah, there we go.